What's up guys, Shane Starnes here, and today I'm partnering with Eufy to bring you a full hands-on comparison between the brand new Eufy S4 permanent outdoor lights and one of the most popular systems out there, the Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights Pro. I've had both of these installed on my home, tested them day and night, and there are some big differences in brightness, customization, and overall smart home features that you're definitely going to want to see. So if you've been thinking about upgrading your roofline lighting before the holidays, this is the video you don't want to miss. Let's go ahead and get started. When it comes to installation, both Eufy and Govee really nailed the DIY experience here. These are both sets that you can put up in an afternoon without calling an electrician, and that's honestly one of the biggest appeals of permanent outdoor lighting right now. Both of these systems use 3M adhesive backing, which makes the initial setup super easy. Just clean the soffit, press the strip in place, and you're basically done. But Eufy does something here that's actually more practical long term. Their lights use a clip-in design. That means you can detach the lights later without ripping the adhesive off your home. If you ever need to replace a section, adjust the layout, or temporarily remove them for maintenance, you can pop them out and snap them right back in. The Eufy base can also be screwed down for a more permanent setup. Govee also supports a more permanent install with screw clips, which is great for homes that get a lot of heat or humidity, and both systems are cuttable and spliceable, so customizing your layout, corners, peaks, soffits, even fence lines is totally doable. Overall, from a do-it-yourself standpoint, both are extremely approachable, but Eufy's detachable clip system gives you a little more flexibility if you're the type that likes to tweak or upgrade your setup over time. It's worth mentioning that Govee offers a black version, which could be easier to hide against darker colored trim. In my opinion, the black looks better and is harder to see from the road. When it comes to brightness, there's a massive difference between these two systems, and it's something you can see instantly the moment the sun goes down. The Eufy S4 lights use a 3-in-1 LED design. You get a dedicated RGB, warm white, and a cool white diodes in a single module. Govee takes a similar approach with RGB plus separate warm white and cool white LEDs. But here's where things shift. Eufy can push a much wider color temperature range from 1500 Kelvin all the way up to 9000 Kelvin, while Govee tops out at 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. That gives Eufy deeper ambers, cleaner daylight whites, and more accurate holiday colors. You also get more LEDs per strand with Eufy, 72 lights on a 100-foot run compared to 60 on the Govee setup, which means tighter spacing, smoother animations, and a fuller, more filled-in look across your roof line and wall. But the biggest difference is raw power. Eufy hits 90 lumens per bulb, nearly double the brightness of Govee's 50 lumens, and you feel that in real life. Eufy throws light not just down on the wall, but out into your bushes, your pathway, and even out into your yard. It's a true wash of light, not just decorative dots. The added LED density plus the higher peak output makes the Eufy S4 the clear leader in visual impact. One of my favorite differences between these two systems is how the Eufy S4 lights add this extra feeling of comfort and warmth when you come home. That's thanks to their built-in radar motion detection. The lights can automatically turn on the moment you approach your house, gently lighting your path, your porch, even the walkway. And because the radar tracks movement across a wide 120-degree field, the lights can actually follow you as you move along the front of your home. It feels welcoming, intentional, and way more interactive than most permanent lighting setups. Govee, on the other hand, doesn't offer motion-based lighting, although you can sync these with Govee motion detectors, which will turn on the lights when motion is detected, but won't follow you like the Eufy lights can. Then you have the bonus features. Eufy's higher LED density and that 3-in-1 LED design don't just improve brightness, they give you buttery smooth animations and more natural white tones for everyday use. The lights can shift from a soft, warm glow when you step outside to vibrant holiday colors instantly. Govee still brings a ton of fun presets, 16 million colors, and great decorative effects, but without motion activation, it's more of a static lighting experience. Next up, let's talk about app control and customization. Because once these lights are up, the app is your remote control for everything. The Eufy app gives you deep customization. You get access to 120 plus presets for occasions from everyday mood lighting to holiday extravaganzas, and you can dive into individual light control for custom themes. You'll also find built-in support for voice control via Matter, Alexa, Google, and integration with eufy cameras or radar sensors so your lights can respond to you. The interface is clean and streamlined, and because eufy gives you individual light control and AI themed creation, you're looking at serious power to tailor the look exactly how you want it. The Govee Home app comes packed with fun and flexibility. It supports 75 plus scene modes, 16 million color options, and lets you individually control zones or even each LED in some cases. You'll also get voice integration with Alexa, Google, and Matter, so basic smart control is covered, but overall, while Govee gives you a lot of decorative power, it doesn't go as deep on motion-triggered interactions or advanced linking to sensors and cameras. In short, it does give you that fast setup and fun experience, but less smart home integration depth compared to eufy. So after spending real time with both systems, it's clear they each bring something different to the table, but if you want the brightest output, the deepest customization, and motion responsive lighting that actually adapts to you, the eufy S4 really pulls ahead. If you're more into decorative lighting with fun presets, Govee still delivers a great experience. I'll have links to both down below so you can check current pricing and specs for yourself. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe if you're new here, and that about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.